When you get an invitation to a 3DEXPERIENCE platform as a regular user, how does that look like? I'll show you how, just watch this. When you get the invitation, it looks like this. It's a mail coming from Dassault System, and it will tell you that the name of your administrator invites you to the platform in your company. You can then press the link to go directly to the login screen. And on the login screen, you can either use an existing 3DEXPERIENCE account, or you can choose to create a new account. So let's create a new account, and then we will press register. So when you do that, you will be sent to your platform, and the welcome app is in the background. There's actually a welcome tour that is on top of that for new users, and you can choose to get some high-level information about the platform if you choose to do so. As you can see in the background, you can also either choose open or install on the Design with SOLIDWORKS app. I'm now on a computer where the Design with SOLIDWORKS app is already installed, so that's why it says open in my case. At this point, you can start using the platform, and depending on what you are going to do on the platform, some installation of software might be required. For instance, the SOLIDWORKS apps as an example. I hope that was useful. See you next time.